What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get straight into it, man. Hey, I gotta be real with y'all. If y'all new to the channel, keeping it 100, we've been making a lot of money over here. So you might want to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that way you can partake in what we have going on, man. We've been calling out plays like Madden, and a lot of people have made their first 6 and 7 figures from some of these plays. You got to think about it. If you're catching 100 to 300%, on a lot of these plays, some of them we even get 10 and 20 X's, in short periods of time. Now, none of this is financial advice, straight DJ mode over here. But, we do our due diligence and things like that. But a lot of these plays we jump into are called my free 99 risky plays. So some of these plays are very risky, but we have the opportunity to end up making a lot of money. So I want to show y'all a couple of these plays. Now, first off, private stock market game is our private investment community where I'm calling out these plays. So you want to tap in over here, and then you'll be able to get access to my private Discord if you want to do that. Now, vechain was one of these plays that we called. This project has been absolutely mooning. It has been, basically a standard or, setting the example of what I want to see, with one of these newer crypto projects. And, every single day we see them doing, amazing things in the space. So we can see a post here, casually voting, a $60,000 ETH buy just came in, y'all. Connect the dots, pay attention. I don't want to take up too much time, but I want to show y'all a few things. Also, now you see the title of the video, Shytoshi has been awfully quiet. So notice when we see this happen, normally Shytoshi pops out the cut with some, fascinating information, some amazing news that, basically pushes the community, brings in a lot of hype, in a good way, motivates everybody, gets things, kicks up some dust, gets things stirred up, and gets people talking. And that's what I'm expecting to see right now. So I've been talking to you all about positioning throughout the week. And you see, if you've been doing that, it's been paying off nicely. So, let's continue to connect the dots and see where the market is heading, and also try to put ourselves in front of these good plays by, having good positioning. So I'm waiting for Shytoshi to announce some good news. We still got Shibarium coming up. We still got the land sales coming up. We still got a lot of exciting news. We also just seen a shibainu John Richmond Playboy collab. So I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna play out, but John Richmond just tagged Playboy in a tweet. Basically, like some partnership is about to happen. It got retweeted from the official Playboy account. Shytoshi actually retweeted it as well here, so you could take a look at that. So here's that tweet from Playboy, just retweeting this, which says, "Hello, Bunny at Playboy, John Richmond, Playboy, Fashion, JR Rich." So that's all we got so far from that. But also, I wanted to take a look at the markets real quick. We're taking a look at Bitcoin right now. We got it at 44,420. 420, y'all pay attention, man. That's a sign. So it's very bullish right now, but we're forming what some people may call a triple top. If you see right here, 1, 2, 3. Now that can indicate that the price wants to break out, but if it doesn't see enough strength to break out, that can be very dangerous. Now I'm just here to keep it real with y'all. Of course I want, the markets to continue to, go up. But, I just gotta, be real and put the data down here on the table for y'all. So we got this triple top forming. If we do not break this, and remember, I told y'all that $45,000 level was a key level of resistance that we need to hold as a support. If we can do that, it's looking like clear skies all the way approximately to around that 52, 51, or I'll say Bitcoin will break around that 50K level. But on the bad side, so what you want to do is how you can measure that potential breakout to that downside. You can basically measure the range it's trading in between the support and resistance from the neckline, and you just take that and place it there, and that'll give you an approximate level. And that brings us right back down to that 30K Bitcoin I've been telling y'all about. So we want to pay attention to that. Also, we want to look at the RSI, the relative strength index. 70 and above is, considered high. So right now it's pushing, it's at that 62 level right now. It's pushing up there, it's kind of becoming, overbought. You know, once the price hits that 70 level, you'll start to see people start to sell off, take some buying pressure off, some steam will start to come off, the price will start to pull back down. So unless we get some FOMO that comes in or a good catalyst that breaks us above this resistance line, you notice we tried to test this line here 3 separate times, and each time we do that, you know, the market gets more and more exhausted. So eventually it'll, you know, fall to a new support and work its way up from there. So hopefully we can hold this level. Let's go back, zoom out, take a look at Shiba Inu and the rest of the markets. So Ethereum 3,100, holding that $3,100 level. We also tapped 3,200 today, which was very, very bullish. Now, if you ask me, do I think, you know, we'll end up seeing that 50K before the 30K mark? You know, deep down, I really wanted to hit that $50,000 level, and I want to say that I wanted to. Now, that's what I wanted to do, but I'm always weary of the market makers and, you know, the big institutions who really control these plays at a larger scale. I try to think, what would they do? You know, if they know the mass markets, you know, the retail investors like you and I are going to think that everything's going to pump, they're going to rug us, you know, they're going to snatch that money off the table. So I try to kind of think of, you know, if we think one thing, you know, try to flip it and think, you know, the other thing, because the other side is also playing against us and trying to transfer our money to their hands. So that's something you want to pay attention to. So BNB holding 411 right now, XRP 82 cent, Cardano $1.03. If you've been buying Cardano, when I was telling y'all to go heavy around 80 cent, you are up nicely right now. So congratulations. Solana at $99, Terra. And remember, when I say, you know, to go heavy, it's not, this is still up to you to do your own due diligence. You know, sometimes I just be in these videos just talking, you know, and letting y'all know what I'm doing. But also, I'm just letting y'all know some good ideas, you know, versus buying and FOMOing in at the top prices, because I get a lot of people that only want to buy when they see record-breaking prices, and then once the price falls back over the next month or two, they come hitting me up, you know, every day saying, what's going on, what happened with this? I watched one of your videos that was 6 months old where you said buy Shiba Inu. I bought it, you know, when I heard everybody else talking about it again, and now the price is going down. I'm trying to tell y'all have to be patient. You know, you have to learn how to look at the support levels. Don't just buy a project. Even if a project jumps on your radar, I'm gonna show y'all a project like this at the end of this video. But even if a project jumps on your radar, you don't want to just right away go buy it just because you see it right then. Start watching it. Make sure you pay attention to the price action. And once you identify some key levels where you can buy in at using your fib retracement or key support levels, just eyeballing the chart, then you can buy in once the price comes to you. I like the price to walk to me once I buy, instead of trying to chase it, because once you chase it, you can guarantee you almost always going to lose like that. So this is just a little knowledge I'm trying to kick in the video for those newcomers that are coming to the markets. But we got Polkadot at $20, Doge at 13 cent, holding at 13 cent right now, but still down 3.2% on the day. Shiba Inu holding the 24 level, down 1 point, looks just about 2% for the day, down 1.98% on the day. So, you know, the markets are, you know, looking nicely right now. Now, I wonder how long will they let this last? You know, are they trying to, you know, do a bull trap and still a lot of hype in front of, you know, everybody, you know, get the markets pumping and then come snatch everybody's money off the table? You know, I'm trying to be real cautious. You know, I'm still dollar cost averaging over time, buying on the dips. And right now I'm just enjoying these gains that we're seeing right now. Also, another project I wanted to take a look at real quick that I told y'all about was ApeCoin. So this one is sitting at $12.81 right now. We seen it, we watched it fall down to about $6, but I didn't know how low it was gonna fall. So I wanted to wait for it to give me confirmation that the price was turning around. So we got in at that $8 level. So right now we're sitting up around $4.77 per coin that we bought on ApeCoin. So congratulations to y'all that got that. And also, this is a play right here I just called in my private Discord. Now, I want to let y'all know I am not affiliated, sponsored, you know, I haven't talked to this team, you know, I'm no way connected to this project. So this is very, very risky, but I call this play for my private Discord, and we knocked this one absolutely out of the park. So we're up 165% on this one today. So I just want to show y'all the chart real quick so y'all can take take a look at that. Okay, it's up 112% right now, but it was just up at one point 165%. But of course, people are going to take some profit. I do recommend y'all to take some profit, especially on these more riskier plays like this. I just like to make money, so if I see a project where I can look at the chart and I can tell that it's been having some nice movement, the chart's looking healthy, the community is looking like it's behind it, we're seeing some good price action, I may just dump a bag in it and double up my money real quick. That's how you make money. I'm not in it for the long term with every single project that you see me talk about or invest in. Now remember, I didn't talk to this team. This was a quick play for me, not telling y'all what to do, but you might want to check it out on this dip. So about our project. So this is Yacht Club Inu. The website is yachtclubinu.club. Now remember, I'm not sponsored or affiliated by this project, so do your own due diligence. Do not come crying to me if you buy this project and it dips down. So also, don't just FOMO into this project. You look for key support levels and buy it as it's retracing versus buying it as it moons, if you decide to do that. So about our project, welcome aboard Yacht Club Inu. We are an exclusive community club token that is setting on a voyage to enable its holders to co-own a luxury yacht from Monaco, Miami to Dubai. Our community will co-own a luxury yacht anywhere in the world, flying the flag of Yacht Club Inu, the first crypto community yacht club of its kind, as we sail through the beautiful blue oceans of the world. We would also be donating to ocean and wildlife conservations as well as humanitarian charities to help support one of our wonderful planet's natural wonders and ecosystems. So here's some of the key features. Now, I want to say one thing about this project that I seen a couple people talk about it, but when I really put it on my radar was when it had the Adam Shelton indicator. Once you see certain key influencers in the space like Adam Shelton, talking about certain projects, I tend to, pay attention to it. I'll hear a lot of, things from different people, because think about it. I got tons of projects reaching out to me each day. I got, a ton of recommendations coming in to me to check out this project each day. So when I see in my comments, sometimes check out this project or from some of the people that I know really, follow my content, I pay attention to some of the recommendations they say. And then on top of that, if we get a YouTuber like Adam Shelton that says, he's checking this project out, then I'm definitely going to check it out. So salute to Adam Shelton, man. Make sure y'all go check his channel out, subscribe, follow him. He provides a lot of insightful information, just like this project here. And that's I call it the Adam Shelton indicator, man. So pay attention. But here's some of the key features: revolutionizing yacht clubs. So being a holder makes you part of our exclusive luxury yacht club. This means holders of Yacht Club Inu have first access to our yacht collection to enjoy free of charge for an allocated time. Bookings will be accessible via our website. Our first yacht location will be chosen by the community out of the 3 popular yacht hubs, Monaco, Miami, and Dubai. There are just a few of our club's exclusive benefits. So there's a lot more. There's also some charitable aspects to this project as well, but I want to go over the tokenomics real quick. There's a 10% buy tax, 12% sell tax, and here's some of the token info. The token supply is ridiculous. When I see the token supply absolutely through the roof like this, I'm looking more, sometimes, it depends, if it has like like one of those indicators I told you about, then that's cool. That might get me a little more bullish about it. But sometimes, I can overlook these ones, but I can sometimes assume that this will be a quick flip for me personally, my style of investing or speculating when I see, a supply this large. So, and it paid off nicely. We got 165% gains in, less than 24 hours, so shout out to y'all that caught that play. So here's the roadmap. Y'all come check this out. I want to leave some due diligence for y'all, but I want to say, here's the team section. The team is not doxed. So y'all know, I like when I see a doxed team, somebody who has the LinkedIn, official Twitter pages, somebody who's actually showing their face that we can connect to. Now you see when we click on these, it doesn't show us anything. So this is very, very risky. So if the team, wants to share some more information about this project, our opinion might change and become more bullish for a longer term, a longer term time frame. But for right now, I'm not looking at it as for a long term play. But also, you can see at Yacht Club Inu ETH on Twitter. They're followed by a few other creators, Your Pop, Adam Shelter, and Zach Boychuk. So also they have 2,174 followers. Let's take a look at the engagement real quick. We can see someone just bought almost $7,000 worth 2 hours ago. So the buys are coming in. We do see the community engaging with the post. They're keeping up with the chart. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Show y'all the chart again real quick. Take a look at that so y'all can see the price where it was at during this video, just so you can you know, understand what's going on with these plays. And that's pretty much all we got. So I just want y'all to, you know sometimes the markets will be slow. There's not too much news coming in. The markets are just, you know, digesting this previous information we've been getting over the weeks. And, you know, we're just kind of, you know, settling out and just figuring out where things will go from here. And that's generally when we see the next, you know, takeoff period. Once things get real quiet, I always tell y'all that. And it always happens, just like I say, things get real quiet, people stop talking about everything, and next thing you know, we get some catalyst out of nowhere that just, you know, skyrockets the market. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, like button on the way out, and we are out.